Welcome to Stories Behind the Objects, where we explore the history behind Museum of the Rockies artifacts in 5 minutes or less. This is a short and sweet episode for you, and it's one that tells a continent-spanning love story. The necklace you're seeing on the screen is made up of gold nuggets. But these are not just any gold nuggets, they're 24 karat nuggets mined by Dick Landis from the Keystone Mine outside of Norris, Montana. Adam Richard Dick Landis was born in Pennsylvania in 1861. Around 1879, at the tender age of 18, Dick headed west to strike his fortune in Montana as a prospector. As with many prospectors, Dick went through several boom and bust cycles throughout his life, first striking it rich at the Magna Charta mine, then losing it all on the Stewart mine. After that $10 million loss, Dick moved out to Norris, Montana, where he lived off the land and spent his days traversing the hillsides and prospecting for the next bit of pay dirt. By 1894, Dick was feeling the pressure to find success because he had promised to send for a girl back in Pennsylvania, Cora Blanche Miller. And strike it rich again he did, although not quite as rich as before, but enough to marry Cora and bring her out to Norris. You can see their 1895 marriage certificate on screen. Dick later said of his wife, "A girl who would come from the east out to the wilds of Montana and trust her life to a young, unsuccessful prospector had to be a real girl." Dick and Cora built a cabin up Hot Spring Gulch, and Dick continued prospecting because, in his words, prospectors are at heart gamblers and therefore optimistic. Dick would go on to own at least 2 more mines, the Josephine Mine and the Keystone Mine. It was at the Keystone that Dick mined these gold nuggets, and he had them turned into a necklace for his bride Cora sometime around 1910. Diamonds may be a girl's best friend, but gold nuggets aren't too shabby either. Eventually, Dick gave up the search for gold, saying, "We have all we need to make us happy." And Cora and Dick would go on to spend the rest of their lives on their ranch outside of Norris. And these gold nuggets tell a story of migration, mining, and a love that endured.